How does a wind turbine generate electricity when it rotates so slowly? How many kilowatt hours can it generate when it turns around? After reading his principle, I know that it is not that the windmill cannot rotate fast, but that it does not dare to rotate fast. When the windmill is opened, you can see that there is a variable speed gearbox between the rotor and the generator, and the speed ratio between them can reach 1 to 90. If the blades rotate 10-20 times per minute, the gear set can reach 1,500 revolutions per minute, thus realizing the high-speed rotation of the generator to generate electricity. Since the faster the speed, the more electricity produced. Why not let the windmill rotate faster? First of all, we must know that the height of the large wind turbine can reach more than 150 meters, and the length of the blades also exceeds 100 meters. We all know that the speed of the end is higher than the center position. So even if the windmill only rotates 10 times per minute, the speed at the end of the blade can reach 200 kilometers per hour. The huge centrifugal force generated will tear the blades apart. In addition, if the speed is too fast, the generator will not be able to withstand the pressure if it is overloaded for a long time, and it may even catch fire. Therefore, brake pads are installed on the generator gears to prevent the gears from turning too fast. But the problem is that the direction and size of the wind cannot be manually intervened. So how can the windmill use the wind effectively and safely? In fact, there is a wind sensor installed on the windmill, which can monitor the wind speed and direction, transmit the data to the controller in real time, control the rotation of the windmill, and maintain the windward angle. In order to prevent the wind from being too large, the angle of the sheet can also be adjusted separately so that the blades can be maintained at a relatively stable speed. So how many kW of electricity can a wind turbine generate in a circle? Depending on the size of the wind turbine power, the power generation will vary. At present, the power of large generators is about 5 trillion watts, and it can generate 5 to 10 kW of electricity in a circle at a fixed wind speed.